This is more than just a name change. It is a signal that we are shifting the way we care. From just treating illnesses to preventing it before it starts. Here at Care Center, that is also our mission. We believe that no Filipino shall be left behind in their healthcare journey to better health.
Ni-rebrand natin ang konsulta into Yakap dahil nais po ng ating gobyernong kayo'y yakapin at ilayo sa sakit. At hindi ho lumala ang ating sakit. Yun ho, in terms of economic terms, mas makabubuti rin ho sa ating bansa. Kaya nais po namin mailayo kayo sa sakit. Kung kaya't po ang aming programa ngayon mula konsulta ay magiging Yakap.
PhilHealth ang tests from 15 tests to 20 free tests. In addition, dinagdag pa natin ang cancer screenings ng colorectal, kidney, lung, at breast cancer. Kasama na po yan sa Yakap program. Libre na po yung mga cancer tests na yan.
Because at Care Center, we believe in healthcare that truly cares. We believe that putting prevention first leads to a healthier Philippines, one Filipino at a time. Let us continue working together to build a future where health is not a privilege, but a right for all. Thank you very much.
Kaya't ito ang aming ginawa. Binaba natin ang serbisyo ng healthcare natin para mas malapit doon sa pinanggagalingan ng ating mga magiging pasyente at hindi na kailangan magpa-confine sa malalaking ospital. Kaya't maayos na yung problema nila. Kaya't yan ang layunin talaga nitong ating Yakap program.